Tomislav.
Hi, Lazina.
What's this air quality monitoring demo?
Yes, this demo is actually based on our PM sensor.
Particulate matter, right?
Yes, correct. And this measures three sizes of particles.
Yes.
1.0, 2.5, and 10 micrograms.
Mm-hmm.
And depending on what you want to measure, so if it's really fine dust, smoke, or really heavily polluted air, this can be done with a PM sensor.
So it's the first conference after COVID.
Yes,
the air
correct.
quality hasn't been too bad here?
No, actually it was very good the whole time, but we can change that in a second. So maybe let me start a fire for the occasion. Then we can go see the.
Oh yeah, look at the numbers jumping.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh wow, yeah, okay.
So in that way, you can also, and this is also the typical use case for the PM sensor, fire detection.
Yeah.
Or any air purifiers can be designed with it, and in that way you ensure always the best air quality for the people around you, and this can be done with the PM sensor. So you have seen it, the values have been jumping in 1 second, so this is a very fast system, and also high lifetime is here the best. Best
so there's a Pan 1781, which is based on the Nordic.
Yes,
chipset.
Correct.
That's over on the board over here. So the sensor communicates with it.
Yes.
And then relays the information through Bluetooth to this. It's an app?
In this way, actually, it's being read out by the Pan 7081. But in that case, it's a wired connection to the laptop. But this could be also done with Bluetooth Low Energy without any problems. We have actually an application code on our GitHub account, so where this is being shown how the PM sensor can be read out and also then sent out to a smartphone app, which we also have on our GitHub account.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lazina.
If you have any questions about Panasonic connectivity solutions or sensors, please feel free to reach out to your local Future Electronics representative or visit us online at futureelectronics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on TechVentures with Lazina.